Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. There are a lot of people here today.
Yes, there are. Can you see Mrs. Brown?
Yes,
Where is she?
she's riding her bicycle.
Oh, yes. She rides very quickly, doesn't she?
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Where's Mrs. Green? Do you know her?
Yes. She's in front of the supermarket.
Oh, what's she wearing?
A red skirt and a red hat.
Oh, yes, I can see her now.
2.
Where's Paul?
He's looking in the window of the toy shop with a friend.
But which one is Paul?
The boy who's carrying a school bag.
Oh, I see him.
3.
I need to find Mr. Farmer. Can you see him?
Yes, I can.
Where is he?
He's there in his car.
Which car?
The small blue one.
4.
Look at Tom. He's very tired today.
Where is he?
He's sitting outside the bank.
Well, he played a lot of tennis yesterday.
Yes, that's why he's sitting down now.
5.
Is that Sue?
Where?
Walking with the two children.
Oh, yes, that's Sue. But who are the children?
I think they're her cousins.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Tom. Can I ask you some questions?
All right.
What's your family name?
Hill.
Can you spell that?
H-I-L-L.
Thank you.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
And where do you live, Tom?
15 High Street.
Can you spell high, please?
H-I-G-H.
2.
Now, how old are you, Tom?
10. It was my birthday last week.
You're very tall.
Yes, all my family are tall.
3.
Now, what's your father's name?
John, like my older brother.
So there are two Johns in the family.
Yes.
4.
And your mother's name?
It's Claire.
Is that C-L-A-R-E?
That's right.
5.
Now, what's the matter?
My neck hurts.
Is it very bad?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Look at the pictures. What did Jim do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Jim. What did you do last week?
Well, on Saturday when it rained, I helped Mum. We painted my bedroom.
Wow!
It looks great now, Aunt Lucy.
Can you see the line from the word Saturday? On Saturday, Jim painted his bedroom. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Friday?
We went shopping. It rained that day.
That's right. Where did you go in the town?
Only to the supermarket to buy some food.
2.
What did you do on Wednesday?
We drove to a lake. I went with my friend and his parents.
Oh, what did you do there?
We had a picnic.
And did you swim there too?
Yes, but it was cold.
3.
I went in a boat on Thursday. No, sorry, it was Sunday.
Where?
At the beach. Dad and I went there in the morning.
Did you enjoy that?
Yes, but it was windy, so it was difficult.
4.
And what did you do on Tuesday?
Tuesday?
Yes. Did you go to the beach that day too?
No, I went to the new bookshop. The town was very busy.
Oh.
I wanted to get a present for Dad.
5.
What about Monday?
The weather wasn't good again that day. I went to my friend's flat.
What did you do?
We watched a DVD about someone who had a big sailing boat.
Did you enjoy it?
It was okay.
Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Ben's brother's car?
My brother's got a new car.
Oh, which one is it, Ben? That small one?
No, it's a beautiful big one.
Is it blue?
No, his last car was blue. This one's red.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What sport does Ben's brother do?
What sport does your brother do, Ben?
He plays basketball every weekend.
Does he like swimming or tennis?
No, he doesn't.
2. Where does Ben's brother work?
Where does your brother work, Ben?
Here in the town.
Yes, but where? In a school?
No, he works in the zoo.
Where's that?
It's near the library.
Oh, yes.
3. How did Ben go to his grandparents' house?
Did you see your grandparents at the weekend, Ben?
Yes, we did. I was very happy.
Did you go by bus?
No, the bus is very slow. We flew there.
Oh, did you?
Yes, it's quicker than the train.
4. What can Ben give his sister for her birthday?
It's my sister's birthday on Saturday. What can I give her, Daisy?
Does she like dolls?
No, she doesn't.
What about a dress?
She never wears dresses. She likes playing football with me.
You can give her a ball then.
Oh, yes.
5. What's Ben's sister's favourite food?
Do you want to come to my sister's birthday party, Daisy?
Thanks. Have you got a birthday cake?
Yes, but my sister doesn't like cake.
What's her favourite food? burgers?
She likes bananas best. She sometimes eats 10 every day.